Yes, we can see that we are in the process of finalizing our manifesto, and the kind of response we have got during the Goa dialogues. There is an overwhelming support that casinos should be stopped. And we have conducted a survey also. Even the survey also reflected that the people of Goa are fed up. It's giving a bad name, and the casino has to be stopped. Is in the process of finalizing its document, but one thing I can assure you, not a single employee will suffer. There will be proper rehabilitation plan for them. Not one family, not one individual working in these casinos, because they are looking for an employment. They themselves are the victims, because there is no job. So that is why they have no other option than to work over there. I don't know what kind of a man he is. He is saying that on OROP, 95% has been implemented. I just want to ask two questions. If it is so, he's a defense minister of the country, and that is why it becomes very, very important for all of us to understand. If OROP has been implemented, that why Ramakrishnan Grewal has committed suicide. But if we have a defense minister like him, who is in a habit of lying all the time, who is in a habit of hoodwinking people, who is so brazen about his lies, the question today is country safe with a defense minister like him? When Pathankot was happening, he was not in Delhi. When Uri was happening, he was not in Delhi. When the ordnance factory was burnt, he was not in Delhi. And on all three times, he was nudged by the Prime Minister that you rush. It was a people's pressure that he had to go to and visit all these places. His contribution is drugs, gambling, and prostitution. These are the three most important contributions of the BJP and Mr. Manohar Parrikar to the state of Goa.
So आप परत सांगता बाब रक्षा मंत्री की तुम्ही इलेक्शना जिखपाक मतां घेवपाक लोकांक खोटी आश्वासनां करतात, पूण ताच्या वयल्यान एक तो चोरी ऊपर से सोना सीना चोरी म्हणटा तशें करूं नाकात गोंयकारांनो. गोंयकारां कडेन तुमकां गोंयचे लोक धडो शिकयतले फुडल्या इलेक्शनाक.